In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files in Google Chat. If you need to send a document, image, or other file to someone quickly, Google Chat makes the process very simple. I'll walk you through exactly how to do it so you can follow along with confidence. To begin, go to your Google Chat home dashboard. This is the main screen where all of your conversations and messages are organized. If you use Google Chat regularly, this is likely the page you already land on when you open the app in your browser. Take a moment to make sure you're on the home area before moving to the next step, because that's where you'll be able to access your direct messages easily. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the left-hand column. Under the direct messages section, find the chat where you want to share your file. Then click on that conversation to open it. This is important because the file will be sent specifically in the chat you have selected, so it's always a good idea to double check that you've opened the correct conversation before uploading anything. After the chat is open, move down to the message field at the bottom of the screen. In that area, you'll see the upload file icon. Click on that icon to start attaching a file. This tells Google Chat that instead of sending only a text message, you want to include a file from your device. When the file picker opens, select the file from your device. Browse to the folder where your file is saved, click on the correct file, and confirm your selection. Depending on the type and size of the file, it may take a moment to load into the message field. If needed, pause briefly and make sure the file has attached properly before continuing. Finally, click the send message icon, which looks like an arrow pointing to the right. As soon as you do that, your file will be sent in the chat and become visible in the conversation. The person on the other end will then be able to view or access the file directly from Google Chat. And that's all it takes to share files in Google Chat. It's a quick feature, but it can save a lot of time when you need to send something without switching to email. Just open the right conversation, attach the file, and send it.